Starting around 21 walk 2024 Dogecoin for the most part is exchanging at $1.2523 in term of its US rate with a value change of 15% in especially most recent 60 minutes, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Doge truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $21,862.5 in 1926 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,761,509,683, which generally is very critical. This explicitly makes Dogecoin Doge in every way that really matters, positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin be genuinely worth in 2024, or so they fundamentally thought? Is Dogecoin a genuinely wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Doge cost basically outperform its untouched fundamentally high in a genuinely enormous manner? These most certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. So starting around 21 walk 2024 Dogecoin especially is exchanging at $0.2523 in term of its first rate with the value change of 0.15% in kind of most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Doge cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $9.37. The normal kind of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in a real sense be $0.1869, showing that starting around 21 walk 2024 Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $1.2523 in term of its US rate with a value change of 15% in most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is genuinely critical. Besides, Doge can in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $1.2041, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin Doge value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Dogecoin cost explicitly is figured to really arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $0.2319. The Doge cost could basically arrive at a, for the most part, greatest cost of $1.1484 with the kind of typical expected cost around $1.1443, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin Doge value expectation April 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.432 and $0.2542, or so they truly thought, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.2500 in a sort of enormous manner. Dogecoin value expectation May 2024. Dogecoin cost especially is supposed to generally reach between $0.2475 to $0.2617 in May 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Doge for the May explicitly remains around $0.530 Doge value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is gauged to basically be at around an especially least worth of $0.2537, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The Dogecoin value worth can truly arrive at an especially limit of $0.693 with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.2592 in USD, showing how Dogecoin value expectation May 2024. Dogecoin cost for the most part is supposed to generally reach between $1.2475 to $0.2617 in May 2024, while the truly normal cost of Doge for the May by and large stays around $0.1530 Doge value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Dogecoin generally is gauged to really be at around a truly least worth of $0.2537 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value figure July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin explicitly is generally anticipated to, in every practical sense, arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $10.655, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $1.773 and at least $600 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin Doge value gauge August 2024. The Dogecoin Doge cost for August 2024 may by and large arrive at a sort of least worth of $1.1667, while the sort of greatest estimated cost really is around $1.2856, or so they generally thought. The by and large normal cost for Doge in every practical sense is generally anticipated to generally reach $722 in August 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin Doge value expectation September 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $687 and $24, which truly is genuinely critical. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $756 in a very significant manner. Doge value conjecture October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to arrive at least value worth of $754, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme cost of $1995 with the really normal cost around $809, or so they sort of thought. Doge value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is gauged to explicitly be at around a base worth of 0.1794, showing how especially is Dogecoin a wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2024, or so they by and large thought. The Dogecoin value worth can really arrive at a genuinely limit of $167 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of 0.1863 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin Doge value gauge December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Dogecoin essentially is truly anticipated to fundamentally arrive at a truly normal cost of $19.37, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $1.41 and an in every way that really matters least of 0.1869, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin essentially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost truly has shown a sort of good increment of 294% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, for the most part, is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Doge in a real sense is down to nearly 13.7% in the sort of most recent 7 days in an especially enormous manner. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for pretty past in every practical sense. Hardly any days, the coin could sort of have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in truly present moment. Exhibiting that the exceptionally normal cost for Doge essentially is anticipated to in every practical sense reach $722 in August 2024, or so they really thought. Dogecoin value estimate 2024 facts. What will generally be Dogecoin especially worth in 2024, which generally is very huge. The Doge cost truly is estimated to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $1.41 with especially least cost of $1.8869 toward the finish of 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Dogecoin in every practical sense have a future, which most certainly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Dogecoin by and large has an exceptional essentially potential to sort of arrive at new levels, showing how might Doge cost generally outperform its record-breaking most certainly high in an especially enormous manner. It truly is conjecture that Doge will increment in esteem, or so they